There's definitely rapid change going on, right? Innovation is always disruptive, and every technology that's ever been invented has caused great fears.
From the 11th to 13th of May, the World Economic Forum in Africa will meet to discuss how to connect Africa's resources through digital transformation. The African Union estimates that the lack of sufficient infrastructure on the continent is holding back growth by some 2%. On the upside, the Electrify Africa ACT, signed into law by the US government earlier this year, could go a long way in fostering growth and aid the all-important transfer of technology. Corneleo Keevy of Ashburton Investments joined me now to discuss this initiative. Corneleo, what are some of the goals of this initiative?
So the Electrify, or the Power Africa initiative, was initially founded in 2013. But as you mentioned, the Electrify Africa Act which was passed by the US government in February of this year, was instrumental in providing legislative momentum to this initiative. So the aim of Power Africa is to double the access to electricity in sub-Saharan Africa by 2030. And how they're going to do this is through increasing the electricity generation capacity in the region by 30,000 megawatts, and also adding 60 million new electricity connections in the region. If you look at the funding that they've received to date, they've received commitments of more than $43 billion from both private and the public sector. And what they do is they become actively involved in electricity generation projects and electricity connection projects, and they monitor that from inception through to financial close and construction. The initiative is currently involved in more than 200 projects across more than 20 countries in the region, and they believe that the projects that they're currently monitoring will be able to add 20,000 megawatts of additional electricity generation by 2030. And I think one achievement that they have made is that of the projects that they've been involved with, over 4,000 megawatts worth of generation has already achieved financial close, which means that these projects are either about to commence construction or in various phases. And some of the larger projects includes the Sen Power project in Ghana and the Azura gas plant in Nigeria.